Hello dear students, welcome back to the channel. After a gap of 3 days, we'll complete 18.3 today. So let's start. So ninth sum, if the ratio of the volume of two spheres is 1:8, find the ratio of their surface areas. So what is given is the ratio of the volumes is given to you. It is in the ratio of 1:8, the spheres. So what we'll do is the solution. According to the given data, volume of a sphere we know is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Let r1 be the radius of the first sphere. Let r2 be the radius of the second sphere. Okay, so we have to ratios given. Ratio of their volumes is equal to 1:8. Simply 4/3 pi r cube 1 is equal to 4/3 pi r cube 2 is equal to 1:8. So 4/3 gets cancelled with this pi gets, everything gets cancelled simply. So r cube 1 over r cube 2 is equal to 1/8. Finding cube root, we get r1 is equal to 1, r2 is equal to over 2. So find the ratio of their surface areas they have said. Okay. Now the ratio of surface areas is equal to S1 is to S2 is equal to 4 pi r square 1 is to 4 pi r square 2. सिंपली ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा इसके साथ. r square 1 over r square 2 will give you 1/2 is equal to 1/4. I haven't left space. I've written the 10th sum directly, so there was very little space. You found both the things. Okay. Coming on to sum number 10. The surface area of a sphere of radius 5 cm is 5 times the area of the curved surface of a cone of radius 4 cm. Find the height and the volume of the cone. So what is it? Solution according to the question given. Surface area of sphere and the radius is given as 5 centimeters. At the same time they say it is 5 times, okay, the area of the curved surface. So radius will be this, okay, for that. So 4 pi r square is equal to 4 pi into 5 into 5 is equal to 4 into 25 pi is equal to 100 pi centimeter square. So the curved surface area of cone is equal to pi rl centimeter square. Okay, is equal to, therefore 100 pi is equal to 4 pi l. Pi gets cancelled with this, therefore 100 20L, therefore L is going to be 5 centimeters. Okay, now you found L, you'll get L square is equal to H square plus R square. L square will be what? 5 the whole square. H you have to find. R square is what? 4. 25 4, sir. It is only 4. 25 minus 16 is equal to what? H square. Sorry, 9. H is equal to 3. So the height what they have asked for is equal to 3 centimeters. They've asked for the volume also. So volume of the cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 into 22/7 into 4 into 4 into 3. Cancel. 352/7 will give you 50.20. Therefore, volume is equal to 3.20 centimeter. You can put it into decimals as well and the mixed fraction form also. Okay, I have put it into the decimal form. Coming on to the sum number 11. A hemispherical brass bowl has the inner diameter. Supposing this is the brass bowl, it has the inner diameter as 10.5 centimeters. Find the cost of tin plating it on inside. The inner part is to be plated, okay, at the rate of rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. Okay, so solution for it is inner diameter is equal to 10.5 centimeters. So the radius will be d over 2 is equal to 10.5 over 2 is equal to 5.25 centimeters. Okay, radius is equal to 5.25. That was half of the diameter given to you. So the curved surface area of the hemisphere is 2 pi r square. 2 into 22/7 into 5.25 into 5.25. Okay, 7 ones, and this will give you 0.75. So on calculating on the whole, we get CSA of the hemisphere is 173.25 centimeter square. Now they have asked the cost of tin plating. Okay, so the cost of tin plating is rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. That is cost of tin plating. See, if you write each and everything, whatever is given you in the format like I am writing, it becomes more easier when you put forth the formula, everything. Okay, 16/100 rupees. Okay, so total surface area also you found. Cost of tin plating, ये पूरा अंदर का पार्ट जो है वो टिन प्लेटिंग करना है, उसका हम लोगों ने क्या निकाला है, कर्व सरफेस एरिया निकाला है और उन्होंने रेट दे रखा है. वो रेट को सिंपली हम लोग क्या करेंगे, 16/100 इंटू 173.25. सो कॉस्ट ऑफ प्लेटिंग इज इक्वल टू, कैलकुलेशन के बाद 27.72 रुपीज़ मिलता है. ये है आपका answer. Yeah. 12th sum. If a sphere is inscribed, मतलब एक क्यूब है, उसमें एक स्फीयर टोटली इंस्क्राइब कर रखा है, ठीक है, देयर इज नो स्पेस लेफ्ट. ये अंदर क्या है, इसके अंदर स्फीयर है. ओके, देन फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द क्यूब. पहले हम लोग क्यूब का वॉल्यूम मालूम करना है और फिर उसका इनका रेशियो वॉल्यूम. Sorry, Hindi is not my cup of tea, but then try speaking. Volume of the cube over the volume of the sphere. We're supposed to find the ratio of the cube. Let's start. We know that it is inscribed in a cube. ये जो sphere है ये cube में inscribed है. तो diameter क्या होगा of the sphere? Is equal to length of the edge, okay, of the cube. So let the edge of the cube be 2a, then diameter भी क्या होगा of the sphere? It will be 2a. और रेडियस क्या आ जाएगा फिर? 2, सॉरी a. ओके, अब क्या बोला है? कंपैरिजन ही बोला है सिर्फ करने के लिए. रेशियो ऑफ देयर वॉल्यूम्स इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ द क्यूब over volume of the sphere. Okay, क्या हो जाएगा? 2a the whole cube. हमें पता है वॉल्यूम क्यूब का, उसका फॉर्मूला क्या है? 4/3 pi a cube. ओके, क्या आ जाएगा? सिंपली 8a cube over 4/3 pi a cube. ओके, क्या हो जाएगा? 4 1s 4, 2s. ओके, so it will be a cube. This is right. So this gets cancelled with this. It will be 2 into 3. Okay, divided by this 3 goes up, will give you 6/5. So the ratio 6:5. So ratio of their volumes is equal to 6:5. This is your answer. Sum number 13. Two solid sphere made of the same metal have weights 5920 grams and 740 grams respectively. दो spheres हैं, अलग अलग weight है उनका. 5920 है एक का और दूसरे का 740 है. Determine the radius of the larger sphere if the diameter of the smaller one is 520 meters. दो spheres दिए हैं, एक का radius दिया है, छोटे वाले का, बड़े वाले का नहीं दिया है, वो find करना है. तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं. सॉल्यूशन क्या है इसका? लिखेंगे सब कुछ जो दिया हुआ है. वेट ऑफ फर्स्ट सॉलिड sphere is equal to 5920 grams. Weight of second solid sphere is equal to 740 grams. You're supposed to find the radius of the larger sphere. How much? And you have the radius of the smaller sphere given as 5 centimeters. इट इज गिवन टू यू. आप देखोगे ना हिंट दी हुई है सबकी ऑलरेडी टेक्स्ट बुक में. क्या लिखा है उस पे? वॉल्यूम ऑफ बिगर स्फीयर ओवर वॉल्यूम ऑफ smaller sphere is equal to weight of bigger sphere over the weight of smaller sphere. फिर क्या आ जाएगा? उसका जो फॉर्मूला है वो लगा दो. फिर नीचे आ जाएगा 4/3 पाई आर. दिया हुआ है 5/2/3. ओके बच्चों, फिर आ जाएगा 5920/740. हम सब कुछ करेंगे कटिंग. यहाँ पे 74 ones and 74 8s. This will get cancelled with this, this will get cancelled with this, this will get cancelled with this, and then r cube over 5 into 5, sorry 5/3 into 5/, it's 2 baby. 5 into 2 or 5 into 2 into 5/2 is equal to 8. Simply r cube is equal to 125/8 is equal to 8. क्या आ जाएगा? r cube यहाँ होगा, 8 ये वहाँ पे चला जाएगा, सॉरी 125 ऊपर आ जाएगा, ये 8 यहाँ चला जाएगा, ये इसके साथ चला जाएगा, बाय बाय कर देगा, और r क्यूब आ जाएगा 125. और r के साथ हम छोड़ जाएगा अकेला, उसका है क्या? 5 सेंटीमीटर. यही उन्होंने ढूंढने बोला था. अब चलो 14 सम पे आते हैं. I have written the 14th sum. C. The internal and the external diameters of a hollow sorry बच्चों. The internal and the external diameters of a hollow hemispherical vessel are 14 centimeters and 21 respectively. The cost of silver plating of 5 centimeter square area. ये सब दिया हुआ है और साथ ही में उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से टेक्स्ट बुक में हिंट भी दिया हुआ है. अगर हम वो भी लेके सॉल्व कर लेते हैं तो भी आंसर आ जाएगा. पर लेकिन आपको ये करना है, what you have to do is simply try attempting this question and I'll be waiting for your answers over in the comment box. Okay, let's see whether you can really solve it. I know you can solve it. Till now whatever we've done, and if you followed the videos properly, for sure it'll be a thumbs up, okay, from my side. Let's wait for the answers. Bye, take care.